Alright, I figured I'd save these for posterity's sake. This machine here, these are uh, material clamps for different types of machines that my father-in-law, they build like tech cabinets and stuff like that, servers and all kind of whatever these things are. I mean, it's not a computer, it's like some kind of server cabinets and whatnot. And they build hundreds and hundreds of these sometimes, a day at times. Anyway, they got this big vacuum system that hooks to this deal here, and it goes to the ceiling, got a big tube on it and handles. Anyway, and it uses vacuum and it picks things up and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, on something like this, it's got a bunch of holes in it, they can't just pick it up. And this is one of the main reasons why they bought that thing, was to be able to sling these things around, right? They want to be able to pull them right out of the boxes, so you have to be able to clear the box edges and all that kind of stuff. So, been working on these for about a month, off and on. This was the last incantation, and this one was a little different as well. I've got it finished. This is what it's going to be. It's just, it locks in place right up here at the front, where it catches up underneath that lip at the front, and then it wedges its way in right there where it stays flush. And basically, as long as this whole thing doesn't move back, it can't come off. It's stuck. So what we've got here is just a little simple clamp that I can pull back, and you can see how that works. It's just like a spring-loaded little clamp set up there, so they can just set the vacuum thing in place, pull back. Well, shit, here I'm screwing it up. It'll be attached on the top end. Whenever they go to do it, they'll be able to do it one-handed. It just moves the machine around whenever you try to do it here. But anyway, it's just pull, release, and on, off, just one easy little stroke there, and it holds itself in place. This one over here has sliding bells on the end that catch these handles on the either end of this cabinet, which from the outside there's just not quite enough room from the outside to really get down in there, and it makes it kind of a pain in the butt. I mean, it's got more packaging in there than what's in this box here. This box has been kind of through the ringer. So we're going to redo this. So instead of coming from the outside and come in like it is now, we're going to redo it, and we're going to make the ends just out of some 3/8 out of this 3/8 bar here. And we're going to make some little transom thingies that just hang down off the end of this bar right here, come down, and are going to just go down straight inside of the handles there and catch from the inside. So that'll be the next deal on that one, and I'll come back. That machine's ready to rock and roll. Paint's drying on the revisions that I made on it. Got some grip tape on there to help facilitate that little clamp setup. And as soon as it gets dry, of course, I'll go back in there and put a new one of those little black plastic end caps like I have on here. I'll put one of those in there once that all dries, the paint all dries up good. But anyway, over and out, broski. Over and out.